It's Friday, which means it's time for another roundup of good tech deals. Our latest edition is headed up by a few notable discounts from the PlayStation Store's summer sale. Both the standard and digital versions of the PS5 are $50 off. For one, not a huge price drop, but still about as low as we usually see the consoles fall. The soon-to-be-improved PlayStation VR 2 is down to $349, a $200 discount, while a number of our favorite PS5 games are also on sale. Beyond that, Apple's entry-level AirPods are back down to a low of $70. Several Amazon Echo devices are available for the prices we saw during Prime Day, and Google's Pixel 8a is at a new low ahead of the company's big Pixel hardware event later this month. Here are the best tech deals from this week you can still buy today. Sony PlayStation 5. Both versions of the PlayStation 5 are $50 off, which means the standard slim model is down to $449 and the disc-less variant is available for $399. These prices are available at several retailers, including Amazon, Walmart, Target, and Sony's own PlayStation Direct store. They aren't the best deals we've ever seen. Sony once bundled the console with a copy of Spider-Man 2 for the same price, and rumors of an upcoming PS5 Pro have persisted for the past few months. But steeper discounts for the device have been pretty rare, so this is a fine time to take the plunge if you've been waiting for a sale. PS5 Slim Console Cover. If you already own a PS5, meanwhile, Sony's official console side plates are $10 off via PlayStation Direct as well. That drops the black cover set to $45 and the red, blue, and silver finishes down to $50. Each price matches an all-time low. Nobody needs one of these things, of course, but any sort of savings should be welcome if you'd like to shake up your PS5's vibe. Sony PlayStation VR 2. Sticking with PlayStation hardware, Sony's PlayStation VR 2 headset is still on sale for $350 at several retailers, while a bundle that includes the adventure game Horizon Call of the Mountain is down to $400. Those are both $200 discounts and the lowest prices we've seen. To be clear, the PSVR 2 is far from an essential purchase. The actual hardware is great, but it's not backwards compatible with games made for the original PSVR, and its current library is relatively anemic, without a real killer app. A recent Android Central report suggests we won't see many more first-party games in the future, either. The Meta Quest 3 remains a better buy for most people in the market for a general-purpose VR headset. Instead, we're mainly highlighting the PSVR 2 because Sony plans to make it compatible with gaming PCs next week. You'll need to buy a separate $60 adapter to make that work, but it should open the device up to a much wider range of actually decent games, provided your PC can run them. The Quest 3 currently costs $500, so if you're looking to save some cash and mainly want a headset for VR gaming on PC, this should end up being an okay deal. Marvel's Spider-Man 2. Naturally, Sony's sale also covers a number of PS4 and PS5 games we recommend. There are too many discounts for us to list everything here, but some highlights include the aforementioned Marvel's Spider-Man 2 for a low of $50, a $20 discount, the Mammoth RPG Baldur's Gate Roman 3 for $56, $14 off, the challenging roguelike Returnal and the Demon's Souls remake for $30 each, $40 off MSRP, and the recent remaster of The Last of Us Part Roman 2 for $40, $20 off. These discounts are spread out across third-party retailers and Sony's digital store. We've seen most of them before, but they're about as low as each game goes outside of Black Friday. So it's not the worst time to take advantage if you're looking for something new to sink into during the slow summer months. Apple AirPods. Apple's second-gen AirPods are back down to $70 at Amazon, Walmart, and Best Buy, matching their lowest price to date. The pair has typically retailed between $80 and $90 over the past few months, though they egregiously cost $129 from Apple directly. Can we heartily recommend these wireless earbuds in 2024? No, there are better options available for less, and Apple is expected to introduce new models by the end of the year. Still, we realize that a whole lot of people like how easily AirPods work with other Apple devices, and we know that some prefer this kind of open-back design, which doesn't dig into the ear canal. If you're absolutely dead set on a pair of Apple earbuds, this price is at least a little easier to stomach. Beats Fit Pro. The white version of the Beats Fit Pro is down to $140 at Amazon subsidiary Woot, which is the lowest price we've seen and about $40 less than the earphone's average street price in recent months. It's also $10 below the price we saw during Amazon's Prime Day sale last month. The Fit Pro is the top pick in our guide to the best wireless earbuds for running, as it puts many of the AirPods' Apple-friendly conveniences in a more gym-friendly design with stabilizing wings. You don't get all the same features. There's no adaptive audio mode. For one, and its ANC and battery life aren't class-leading by any means. There's no multi-device connectivity or wireless charging either. But its punchy sound should play well on the treadmill, and its physical control buttons are a bit more reliable than most touch controls. 12 South AirFly Duo. The 12 South AirFly Duo is a tiny transmitter that lets you connect your wireless headphones to devices with a 3.5mm jack, but no built-in Bluetooth, such as a plane's in-flight entertainment system. You can pair two headphones to the dongle simultaneously, and 12 South rates its battery life at more than 20 hours. We've recommended it in past gift guides. Right now, the device is on sale for $30 at Amazon and Best Buy, which is a $15 discount and the lowest price we've seen. 8-bit retro mechanical keyboard. The stylish 8-bit retro mechanical keyboard is on sale for a new low of $60 at Woot. That's about $35 off its average street price in recent months. This price applies to the Famicom edition of the wireless keyboard, which is designed to resemble Nintendo's old Famicom console. Another model that looks more like the NES is also on sale for $10 more. While this device didn't make our guide to the best mechanical keyboards, we have recommended it in certain gift guides. The retro aesthetic is the main appeal, but its tankless frame feels well built, and its hot swappable Keilbox white V2 switches are pleasant to type on. It also comes with a set of giant macro programmable super buttons, which aren't the most practical things but are still fun to whack. Just be aware that there's no backlighting and the default switches are fairly noisy. If you want to add a touch of nostalgia to your desk, though, this is a decent deal. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.